What is up, you guys? It's Lauren. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have our favorite special guest, my boyfriend Keith. I have somehow convinced him to come back to the channel, and today, what are you letting me do to you?
My makeup.
I'm doing Keith's makeup. As if he isn't already beautiful enough, I'm gonna beat his face. So there's not much else to say about that. Let's just get straight into the makeup. Quit making fun of me.
Ain't nothing to it. Real one.
First things first, in makeup, always primer. I'm using the Urban Decay Optical Illusion Complexion Primer. To be honest, this isn't my favorite primer. There's nothing wrong with it. I just don't reach for it very often, and I wasn't gonna use my favorite primer on him, so I just grabbed this one. Okay, turn, look at me. You got that, yeah. Oh my god. Ooh, this might be expired. It's kind of thick.
Makeup
Like
expires?
Yeah, makeup does expire. I've never really paid attention to expiration date stuff. Ew, this stuff is, I haven't used this in a long time. I do not like this.
Well, good thing it's on my face and not yours. I'm a fan.
Oh, you like it?
It smells like oatmeal.
Oh, it does. That's weird. Is that a part of your face or is that makeup? Oh, that's a part of your face. Sorry. This stuff, look, you have to look at me.
Sorry.
Ew, I did not like this stuff.
Don't you get in my hair.
The next step is to put foundation on Keith's face. This step is going to be a little bit funny because, as you can see, we're not quite the same skin tone, but we're going to work with it. This is the Tarte Amazonian Clay foundation, my favorite foundation. You use it every day.
I thought you weren't going to waste your favorite on me.
Well, it's really the only foundation I have right now.
I'd say that too.
Obviously, applying this with a very dirty beauty blender. Oh my god. I never do makeup on other people. This is really weird. Oh my god. You're gonna look like a ghost.
Hold on, let me see this cheek. I didn't realize you were this white.
Yeah. I mean, it looks ashy on you because your undertone is different.
Oh, wow.
Okay, turn your face.
Sure.
This is how you treated me when you were doing my makeup. Okay.
We could at least got a shade to fit me.
I mean, I wasn't gonna spend money on it.
I mean, but you got to have me looking white.
Why do you act like you care?
And it kind of, people gonna think I look ugly.
I think they thought that before. Oh my god, this looks so bad. Okay, look at me. Look at me. The deal was, if I did this video, or if he let me do this video, that he wasn't gonna retweet the video on Twitter because he didn't want all of his gamer buddies to say mean things about him. Your face is dry. Oh my gosh, why does it look like that on you?
This is buns. I look like a mime.
Oh my god, turn back.
I look like a mime.
Oh my god. This, for some reason, this makes me not even want to do this video because it's so bad. Alright, next step is concealer. Of course, I'm using Tarte Shape Tape. This is going to be really bad because the concealer is even lighter than the foundation, so you don't have to suck, you don't have to suck your face in for concealer. Look at me. You were thinking of contour, weren't you? Oh, we're going to snatch your nose. I'm going to contour the crap out of your nose. This is gonna make it look like I suck at makeup. There's just a lot of differences between our skin.
You know what I'm saying?
Alright, next step is to bake his concealer. So I'm just gonna take this Too Faced Born This Way powder. Yeah, look up. Yeah. You put a bunch of powder on and then dust it off. You don't leave all that powder on there. Have you never seen me do this?
No.
I do this every day. Alright, carved out the contour. And then I just take this brush, I think it's Morphe, I don't know, it rubbed off. I just put some powder.
My face itches.
Your face does not itch.
Yes, it does.
You're fine. You're fine. Next, I'm going to bronze up the skin, which he desperately needs with this Becca. What is wrong?
My face itches.
Where at? Where at? Then itch it. Just not very hard. Itch it. See, now you know the struggle. Are you better?
For 2 seconds.
Oh my god. Okay. Can you not pick your nose?
Yeah.
We're gonna use a lot of bronzer. I probably should just put bronzer all over your face, but I'm not going to.
Is this how much makeup you wear on a regular?
Yeah.
My face feels heavy.
It's because, right, what? Whoa, that looks really bad on camera. In person, it is not that dark. Okay. All right, look, let's see. Wow. It's funny every time. All right, now I'm just gonna dust his bake off. All right, look at me.
I might have whiplash by the end of this video.
That's what you did to me when you were doing my makeup. You are fine.
I feel beautiful.
Do you?
I feel beautiful.
That's my goal.
I don't.
You don't feel beautiful?
I don't.
Okay.
I feel like I just walked in the Sephora and picking random stuff.
Well, maybe if we would have had foundation that was your shade, I think you would feel a little more beautiful. Next, I'm just putting some blush on. You knew it was blush? Yeah. Tarte Party. Okay. No, when you do blush, you kind of like, you smile a little bit. Alright, next step is eyebrows, which as you can see...
Oh, you ain't touching these bad boys.
Keith is not lacking in the eyebrow department.
I just need nothing to these bad boys.
Yeah, I am. I'm the makeup artist. I'm getting serious.
Oh, okay.
I don't even know like what to do to your brows. Like, maybe I can just give them a little more definition.
Baby, they full. You ain't gotta dribble, scribble them in.
I'm giving them like a shape.
They got a shape.
Big.
Bingo.
My worst fear is how many makeup wipes Keith is gonna waste trying to get this off.
Oh, at least 12.
You are not using 12 makeup wipes. This is how much makeup I wear every day and I use 1, maybe 2. Oh.
Dude, this is buns.
I'm not bad at makeup clearly, but you're not giving me much to work with here. All right, next step, highlighter. Keith's favorite step. All right, now I'm gonna contour Keith's nose because I forgot I wanted to do that. I'm just using Kat Von D Shade and Light. I don't really contour my nose, but we're gonna try it out on him. Wow. Probably a good thing I don't contour my nose. All right, let's see how that looks. It worked, look at it. Next step is eyeshadow. I'm using Laura Lee Cat's Pajamas. I'm gonna start out with Okie Dokie, the lightest shade, and just kind of put that all over the lid as like a primer. That seriously tickles. That bad.
That seriously tickles.
Okay. All right. Next, I'm going in with Bomb Diggity. It's just this like mustardy brown transition shade. I'm just gonna close it. Yep, good. Buff this. What?
Tickles.
It does not do
Yes,
that.
it does.
Doing makeup on other people is really different than doing it on yourself.
3 was dead.
What?
It tickles.
Okay. Now that I have the transition shade buffed in to his lid, I'm gonna go in with Kooky. It's this like dark cranberry-ish shade. I'm just using the same brush because I didn't bring all my brushes in here, so. I'm just gonna put this like the outer corner half to kind of darken it up. All right, next I'm going to go in with Scatterbrain. It's just the like super shimmery gold color, and I'm gonna put that on the center and the inside of his lid. All right, now that we have the gold in the inner corner, I'm gonna take the first brush I was using and a little bit more of Kooky just to make it a little darker on the edge and also to blend the two. Alright, how are we looking? Close your eyes. Oh my gosh! Yes. Okay, you're out of focus anyways.
Oh.
Can you see how pretty it looks?
Solid. Solid.
Alright, now I'm going to take Kooky and just buff that under his lower lash line. Okay, look up, look up. Yeah, just like that. Yes!
No.
You're fine.
Stop.
That's what you were doing to me when you did
Yeah,
my
but you're
makeup.
supposed to know
You
what
had
you're
me
doing.
like this.
You're supposed to know what you're doing.
Okay. We're done with that part.
I don't like that.
We're done with that part. All right, next for inner corner highlight and brow highlight, I'm gonna use just the same highlighter that I used on his cheeks. Oh yeah, get those tear ducts popping. I did not spit.
Those tear ducts popping.
Someone Cupid's bow. Keith shaved his mustache just for this video. Now the real question is, am I allowed to put mascara on you?
No.
Why not?
Not touching the eyelashes.
Baby, please.
No.
You have the best eyelashes in the world. I've been dying to put mascara on them. Please.
No.
What if I take you to Wendy's after this?
Okay.
That was easy. Alright, open. Oh, you look so cute!
Oh, this right one is heavy.
That one?
Yeah.
That's okay. It's because it has more on than that one, but
Yeah.
it looks better. It looks better. Alright, let's just... What? What? You look good! It looks good! Aside from, like, it not being your color, it looks really good. Alright, what? I think we're on to the final step. Final step is setting spray.
That's when I start getting ready.
Yes. Fun fact, every time while I'm getting ready, Keith does not get up and start getting ready until I put setting spray on because he saw someone on Twitter say to do that. And it really does work. It really does. Okay. Alright, look at me. He just swallowed so hard. Okay.
It's enough.
I do 9. That was like
9?
4. Yeah, close your eyes. Mascara. Don't squeeze your eyes. You're getting mascara everywhere.
I don't know not to do that.
I just told you not to do that.
And once I start getting sprayed in the face, it's just habit to. Ugh.
Alright, the actual last step, lipstick. This is just a ColourPop matte liquid lipstick something. A nice nude lip for my baby here. You have an eyelash on your lip.
Your eyelash on your lip. You never had an eyelash on your lip. I like getting an eyelash on your lip.
And the top lip. Keith has very defined lips, so I want to make sure I do them justice.
Come on.
It didn't tickle the first 5 minutes I was doing it. Now
You
it's
started to get to the corner.
okay, now go. Okay. Oh, wow. You look like a pretty princess. All right, everybody, that is the end of this video. Like the video if you think Keith makes a very beautiful girl. If you still think he's ugly, still give the video a like because he was somewhat of a good sport. I did have to bribe him with a gaming keyboard and Wendy's, but it's a small price to pay for this beautiful face. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Follow all of my social medias linked down below. And if you want to see more of my videos in the future, go ahead and subscribe. Once again, thank you, Keith, for doing this for me. I love you so much.
Love you too.
All right, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys. People gonna think you have lice. All you do is scratch your head.
You can chop that. My head itch.
Okay. Every time I'm about to talk, you scratch your freaking head. Okay. Just figuring out what's... Oh my god! What?
This is racist.
It's not racist.
This is racist.
Whiteface?
Whiteface. Hey, do I look different?
Did you just put on makeup on your face?
Wait, hold it up, hold it up, hold it up.
Hey there, guy. You wanna buy me a drink?